personas, are you struggling to keep up with your marketing tasks? What if you could create a team member that's fast, efficient, and understands the needs of your business without the cost of hiring a new staff member? Businesses on the Sunshine Coast are already saving time and money with their marketing using the AI persona method. You Monday markets save $5,000 preparing for one campaign, the amount it would have cost to hire a freelancer for 40 hours to draft customized marketing materials in just under 40 minutes. The AI persona method is an easy to follow technique that helps you to create a human-like AI chatbot that's highly skilled, highly trained, and understands your business and your target market. At our AI persona method workshop, you'll learn how to harness this technique using free AI tools such as ChatGPT. And you can apply this method again and again at no additional cost. What will you receive by attending this workshop? An AI persona customized to the needs of your business and customers, a wide range of marketing materials suited to your business's specific needs, a user-friendly workbook with all of the prompts and instructions to create any other AI personas that you need in the future, and 2 weeks of complimentary support from me via email after the workshop if you need it with the AI persona method. Register now.